If you've never been out fly fishing, let me tell you what it feels like. It's not about the equipment and the gear that you can buy at the store. It's about what does it feel like when you go out fly fishing. I would wake up at 5 o'clock in the morning. I get my gear ready, I head out to my favorite spot on the lake, and as I get out of my car and I start unloading, I realize as I take a deep breath that the air is crisp and cool and it's just filled with oxygen and I can feel it running through my veins. So as I walk over towards the lake, I see that the sunrise is about to start and I decide to sit down. I pour myself a cup of coffee and I enjoy the sunrise. It's absolutely amazing. For 5 minutes, I have no care in the world. It's peaceful, it's calm. I don't have to worry about work. I have no problems. And I know that for the next 4 hours, this is how it's going to be. So for fly fishing, you're casting and slingshotting your fly across. To be able to do this is you grab the rod with one hand, you grab the line with the other, and you have some slack, you have some loose, and as you cast out, you pull back on the line itself, and what it does is it causes sort of like a slingshot effect, and it throws the hook. And as you do this 3 or 4 times, the hook will go further and further as you're doing that. So it's a technique that takes a little bit of mastering to get to. But once you get a bite, you reel it in just like you would any other type of fishing. So fly fishing is a lot of fun, and you should at least try it at least once. I mean, there's some outfitters that can help you, or you can buy yourself an affordable starter kit and try it out, but I highly recommend it.